So we are done connecting, installing the research light there, and I will just connect the power from here and there. This one. We are installing 2 here and 3 here, there, and these powers go down here. We are getting power from this one, and then this one over there, and going down here. I will connect a what you call dimmer there, and then inside we are installing two ceiling fan. One there. We'll go down here. I'll connect the power from here, and then this one there. That's a ceiling fan also. The power is here. I'll connect it from here. I'll get it from here. Okay, we will connect this one. So the way you connect this one is, of course, this bare wire is ground, and this black is the supply, and the other color it will go to the light, and the white is neutral, so just put them together like that, twist it with pliers, and then put put a wire nut like that. There. This one I always put, I forget to put the I always put a green wire nut like that. And then push this neutral inside. Tingnan mo yung low nose doon. before you work on a live wire, you have to turn off the breaker. Since I don't turn off the breaker, I will turn off the camera. But always turn off the breaker. But in my case, I don't do that because I've been doing this for so long. So I always do that. And besides, this is only 110. I only do that if it is 220. I will turn off the camera so you won't see that. You know, this is not a good. It's not a good practice for a beginner. Okay, I connected it already. Since it's a lot of wire there, you have to pull it properly so you can hold it and tuck it properly so you can insert the wire, and be careful not to pinch or break the insulation, since when you power it, it will short. So like that, okay. And please bring one ladder here and we will try to put it there. So we will try to connect it there and get the one light. Ito. Kunan mo ako naman, makikita mo naman. So we will try to connect this one. Okay. These are LED cool white, 75 watts. There. It comes with a screw type like that. So if your existing can light is screw type, you can use that. But in my case, I just throw it. Okay. So just plug it like that and put it inside there. And then make sure that it will not pinch the wire and there is no obstruction inside, and then just push it in like that, just like that. Okay, proceed now. Try there. You see it works. That is the brightest and that is the dim. The brightest on a cool white is 4000K. There, it's a 4000K for the cool white. Okay, so that's the way how you connect a recessed light on an existing house. There, okay, and then this one we will put it back. In my case, I'm using my drill to connect it to make it more quicker. Where's that? Oh no, why it's there? They put it in the wrong one. They put it in the wrong. Oh. Okay, try it again. There. Dim and then the bright. Put it in the middle. Okay, so that's the way how you connect a recessed light. Sometimes they call it can light on an existing house. There. Okay. that's all for now. Please click and subscribe, and please click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next videos. In this property, this is a condominium that my customer just bought it here in Playa del Rey, and the next video is I'm making is the how to install underlayment, cork underlayment. And here, because the homeowner association is requiring soundproof, so they require underlayment cork. We are installing quarter of an inch. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye.